What's up my waters? Welcome back to my channel. And today, nandito tayo sa Naiya because we're going to Bangkok for Bangkok International Fashion Week. So we're invited together with Alfim Brand. And let's go! I'm so excited to see Bangkok again. And mga besh, kung kailan may Fashion Week, tsaka naman siya lumabas. Like, ito siya. Sino kaya siya? Sino ka be?
Sa flights ng AirAsia sa Cumulocent.
Ayan, so first dinner natin dito sa Bangkok. And I'm so excited, nag-oil-oil na pero bala na yan, Ben. Let's go. Tom Yum is my dinner and pad krapao. So done with the first show. Uwi na tayo. Tulog na. Wala pa akong tulog. Bye-bye. Good night. Bukas naman. Good morning. So day 2 and we're off to breakfast. So wala akong clothes shoes na dala. Ito yung susuotin ko kasi formal lagi pag mag-breakfast ako. And grabe sa have a very good sleep. Thank you. So, day 2 of Fashion Week and this is our outfit for today. Ayan, pag-makeup na ako dun sa lounge nila and hindi na makapunta dito yung makeup artist sa room ko. So, doon na tayo go. Let's go! So, ganda yung outfit mo pero nasa tuk-tuk ka ako. Hindi ko kaya maglakad mga bish. Kahapon nilakad ko lang kasi comfortable yung boots pero ito na yung it's not, cannot. So, let's go tuk-tuk pa ang kasama. So done with day 2 and nakapaana lang tayo. So good night mga besh. Ayan, so di na kinaya. Magpapamassage tayo tonight. Thank you na. Yeah, so it's day 3. Hello! Hi! Day 3 of Bangkok Fashion Week. Let's go! Alright, day 3. Here's your ticket. Hi, sis! It's this! Oh no!
Excited.
Yes! So, tapos na yung isang show and dito muna tayo sa MAC for our touch loves it. Day 3 done! So, ang haba pa ng time ko mga besh. Kaya naman, kapag TikTok pa ako and magdi-dinner ako alone. So, thank you so much Gerald for my look today. So, dahil marami pa akong time on day 3, we go dinner sa Central World. Mag-isa lang. So, this is the look. Thank you, Gerald. Pasensya na kayo sa kalat. Ayan yung shoes ni Gerald yan. And ito yung dress ko na pantulog. Tapos nilagyan ko lang nito. So, let's go. Mayroon ako mag-wear ng makeup kasi magla-live pa ako for Alfim. And I'm so hungry. Wala akong friends dito sa Bangkok. Kaya mag-isa lang tayong kakain. Let's go. Okay, mga besh. So, dinner tayo dito sa Central World. Ang dami pagkain. So, day 4 breakfast. We're having eggs and banana and vegetables, yogurt, soy milk, and my pretty face. So, that's all I have for today. So, day 4, di ko na kinakaya. Hindi ako nakapag-matcha kahapon. So, mag-matcha ako ngayon. Asan yung Starbucks? Ayaw ko na. Ayan, lang tayo ng payong sa hotel. May Starbucks dito, alam ko eh. How the taste feels like. So much, sarap. store. So, lalakarin ko lang today kasi nagchinelas lang ako. Bilang ako lang yung heels. So, let's go. Ayan na siya. Last day. Love it. So, after show, it's raining. Let's go. Uwian na. Done for today and last work na dito for tomorrow for outfit shoot. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Chinelas na. So we're done for the Bangkok Fashion Week 2025. Thank you so much, Alfim. And last work tomorrow, photo shoot. And then I'm gonna enjoy my time here in Thailand. So I'm gonna extend because I have to do things here pa. So supposedly 21 yung uwi ko, but I'm not going to uwi on 21. Bye-bye.
Good morning. Day 5 here in Thailand. Nagkanon ako kasi inom akong paracetamol. Ang sakit ng lalamunan ako mga bes. So feeling ko baka magkasakit ako. Makakain ako ng kanin today. Kung di pa sasakit ng lalamunan, hindi pa kakain ng maayos sa bakla. Ayan, photoshoot namin later. So let's go. Ang aga ko nagising 2 hours ng tulog ko. Sakit ng lalamunan ko. So, live update. Nalagnat na tayo.
So, day 6 here in Bangkok. And naglipat ako sa The Standard Bangkok Hotel. Ang ganda ng hotel. And we're hitting the gym. So, magta-treadmill and look at the fantasy. Okay, love it. Yeah, so we're now back to Manila. That's all for our Bangkok trip. Loves it.